Hi guys, it is Rsilk here and I have not done a video in ages, but here is a comeback vlog. It's basically the past 5 days of what I've been doing, and the summer holidays have been going on for like 3 weeks now, and I know, I'm sorry, I did say I was going to daily vlog, but it's just been hard, and I'm looking at something right now which is new, and this is part of the 5-day thing. I'll just show you right there. Don't even know if you saw it, but the last 5 days been doing quite a few things. It's probably been the best 5 days of the summer holidays, except when I went on a cruise, which I'll probably talk about in another video, first ever cruise, and I'm very spotty, so just ignore that. But basically, first day, went to Whitby with Scott. Don't have any footage of that because it was just a nice chillax day. Went with my friend Scott and his mum Emma. We played in the waves all day, waves as high as us, nearly drowned a few times, but you know what, that's alright because we had so much fun. Day after that was the first home Boro match of the season, which I'll shot some videos in now, and I'll just show you them. I'll stop talking for a second because like literally a lot of dangerous things went on. I didn't record these videos, they're from other people recording. Just take a look at this.
Oh, it is a fucking doing a punt!
They should be doing a fucking better job of that.
So as you can see, first Boro match, home game, was literally mental. Like, that's the most dangerous Boro game I've ever been to. A police officer ended up in hospital and children as young as 10 got injured. But you know what, that's football for you, just crazy. And we were actually versing a team that went up, just came up from League 1 into the Championship because we got relegated, and yeah, basically they got a disallowed goal on added time and they weren't very happy because the ref said it was offside and it wasn't even offside, so that's why all the fighting started. But then the day after that, I went out with Scott and his mother again, where we went to, I can't remember, it was somewhere in the northeast, even though I do live in the northeast myself. It was like near Sunderland or somewhere like that, and there was a nice beach there. We spent most of the day there doing golf and stuff like that, and that was fun as well. Don't have any footage of that either because it was just a nice chill day. But we dug a hole, got buried in the sand, just the usual that you do at British beaches. And then the day after that, the baby came. I don't know, you're probably like, Ryan, what do you mean a baby came? Was your mum pregnant or something? No, my mum's bloody 50, she's not pregnant. Basically, my dad was talking about getting a new car for ages, and then he won money a few weeks ago, and basically we bought a car out of that. It's like two versions higher. We had the Audi A4, we've got the Audi A6 now, and our car was from 2007. This one's from 2015, so like it's only like 2 years old, where our last car was 10 years old, which is like quite an old car. And this one's got all the good new stuff in it, like bloody Bluetooth, sat-nav, everything you need, seat warmers. It's even got AC for like 4 people, yeah. So my dad can control his, my mum in the other front seat can control hers. Then me and my sister have 2 separate units in the back, which is amazing. So yeah, I'll show you some clips in of that now to show you basically the car. We'll have to get the car, new day, new life. There's Madery, checking if everything's out the car, and I can't wait. But it's quite sad because we've had that car for like 7-8 years, and it's going to be sad to see it go, but you know, we have to move on to greater things in life, so let's go and pick up the bloody car. Oh, how he's doing, by the way, I'm back.
It's raining every day. 6 months or so. Get the car, just make sure it's
.360-degree display. No, got that.
Now after that, that brings us today to today. There's the baby there. It's like a darkish, greyish, blackish. It's really nice. I'm sure you just saw it in that video then. But we did have to give over our car, which was 10 years old, and we've had it for quite a few years now. It's quite sad to see it go, but you know, cars' lives have to carry on. And basically, yeah, like I said, that brings us on today. Today is the next, well, it's going to be the second Boro game of the season at home. And yeah, it's only been like 3 days since the last one, but that's the good thing about it, because the last one was on Saturday, now this one's on Tuesday. And yeah, hopefully it's going to be a good day, and I'm going to take you along with me, and then yeah, see
Come on, Boro.
The thing is, you wouldn't have done 95% of what Bamford did.
So guys, it is now like a week later from that video. Today's Sunday. Yeah, it was basically a week ago since all that happened, and sorry about the montage of pictures of me. I just thought I would shot them in case there's any Boro fans watching, and that them background chants as well. Love the Boro chants. Got my Boro top on now, actually, just remembered that. And anyway, thanks guys for watching. This is just a little comeback video. Hopefully I'm going to make more videos soon. Yeah, I'm just editing the actual video itself now, so yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!